Hello, friends. Welcome to Anirban's World of Digital Finance powered by S4Hana. And this is Anirban here. Good morning. And today is our 32nd video where we are going to discuss about leading ledgers. All right. So, with that, let's start sharing our screen. I hope you can see my screen. And first, we will start with our very on this Excel file, which is a ready reckoner, come blueprint, come notes. We have seen this before in our previous videos. So as I was talking about that, this is S4HANA FICO module 30-second video on non-leading ledgers. If we look back in our previous videos, we have discussed about configuration of the enterprise structure, fiscal year variant, posting period variant, general ledger accounting and document splitting, and then controlling area, profit center, cost element, cost center, and cost elements. And currently, the current chapter is currency types, ledger, and accounting principle, where we are going to talk about non-leading ledger. Okay, so let's scroll to the left of the file of this tab. So this talks about the video name. This is the menu path which I'm going to discuss. We are still in the same screen though, as we were in the previous video. This is a configuration type video, and this is a T code FINC underscore ledger, and the activity is non-leading ledger and its assignment with accounting principle. And then the section, of course, is ledger architecture in S4HANA. With that, we are going to log into SAP. Now we are going to SPRO, and then financial accounting, global settings, and then ledgers and ledger, and then define settings for ledger and currency types. Okay. Now we are going to create a new ledger. So we are going to click here, new ledger, and then we are going to call it save said 5. Let's call it Z5, and the ledger would be non-leading ledger, and we'll call it LNKG1. If you remember, our company name is LNKG1. We are aligning everything with the LNKG1. We could have named it by HKN, which is a company code, but yeah, let's name it after LNKG1, which is Lion King. Yes, that is one of my favorite movies. I will leave ledger type as standard ledger, and this one as a standard journal entries. I'll go here and accounting principle. I'll name it as KG because it's the only thing available, and then I will save it. Right. I save it. And if you see that the ledger group Z5 is created for the ledger Z5. So if you, I'll refer to the notes later on. In the non-leading ledger, when you create your ledger, automatically the ledger group also gets created. Okay. Now I'll go to the company code settings and I'll click on the new entries and I will select my company code, which is HKNM. So HKNM is a company code which is Hakuna Matata. Again, I mean we have heard this in the movie named Lion King. That is one of my favorite movie. Guys, why don't you say share your favorite movies in the comment section with all of us? That would be fun. All right, so let's look for our fiscal year variant, which is assigned to LNKG1, and this is a non-calendar year that we have taken. Probably down the line, while we are doing the configuration of asset accounting, we may have to change this to calendar year. Let's see how it goes. As of now, I'll leave it. That's this is because this is the only fiscal year variant we have configured so far. Going forward, if we face certain hiccups while configuring the asset accounting, we may have to configure a calendar year, fiscal year, and changes. So let's see. I'll leave it whatever we have configured so far. Okay, and then posting period variant would be let's see what was our posting period variant. So posting period variant would be so this is a fiscal year period variant which is ZL non-year calendar year LMKG1 posting period variant was Mufasa posting period variant for HKNM. Let's see whether we can find that. I'll, the problem is we don't have binoculars here, so you have to scroll down to find our favorite Mufasa. Yeah, we have found. So this was what we have configured posting period variant for HKN and Mufasa. All right, and then functional currency. I will select 10. Hit enter. That populates your local currency and the global currency. We will click on parallel accounting, so which means that we would be doing the accounting both by the ledger as well as by the GL. All right, and with that we will save it. We will override the warning. All right, so that's how we configure the non-leading ledger. Let's go to the notes section and see what is mentioned here. So non-leading standard ledgers can be assigned to selected company codes that we have already assigned. We have configured the non-leading ledger, which is Z5, and we have assigned it to HKNM, which is our company code. And it inherits the leading ledger configuration, currency configuration that you have already seen. That the same configuration which was there in the leading ledger, it has taken up by the non-leading ledger. And when a ledger is created, the accounting group is also assigned to the leading ledger, non-leading ledger. So yes, so accounting group, as you have seen that when we have created the leading ledger, we there was a prompt. Yeah, if you have noticed, you can scroll back to the video timeline and you can see that there is a prompt we have received that a ledger group, non-leading ledger group with the same name is automatically created by the system, right? So that's what is mentioned here, that when a ledger is created, system automatically generates a ledger group with the same name, right? And non-leading ledger can be used for each local accounting principles. Okay. So that's it about non-leading ledger. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please click on the like icon and share it with all your friends. And if you are yet to subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Bye.